Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Are you new to Notion and curious about how you can use it to boost your productivity without getting overwhelmed? In this video, I'll walk you through an easy Notion setup for beginners, using free templates to streamline your workflow and show you just how customizable and professional Notion can be. By the end, you'll know how to set up your own productivity hub in Notion, ready to tailor to your unique style and needs. Let's dive straight in. For this demonstration, we're going to use a free productivity template. Notion's templates are like ready-made blueprints. They come pre-built with a clean, professional look, and you can tweak them however you like as you get more comfortable. This saves you a ton of setup time and ensures your workspace already looks organized from the start. Once you're in Notion, look up towards the top left of your dashboard. You'll see what's known as the dropdown. It's your gateway to more options. Go ahead and give it a click. Don't worry if you're not sure, just scan for that small downward arrow or the word templates. Notion's interface is pretty forgiving, and you can always backtrack if you get lost. Next, from the list of options, choose Browse Templates. This is where the magic happens. Notion provides a library full of templates for every need, from budgeting to project management. Today, we're focusing on productivity templates. These are designed to help you keep track of tasks, deadlines, and priorities, all in one tidy view. In the search bar, type productivity, and you'll see several eye-catching options pop up. Take a moment here, scroll through, and see which layouts and designs speak to you. If you're unsure, pick one that feels simple and uncluttered. You can always change things later on. When you found a template you like, simply click on it and hit the Add button. Notion will quickly copy that template into your workspace. This part might take a few moments, especially if your internet's a little slow, but it's worth the wait. Now your template is live. Think of it as having a fresh notebook open and ready, but with all the sections already set up for you. From here, it's time to make the template your own. You can start by filling in your credentials, things like your name, project titles, or goals. Many templates also include spaces for tasks, deadlines, and creative notes. Don't be afraid to experiment. You can click into any section and change the text, drag blocks around to rearrange your workflow, or even add new pages if you have extra ideas. It's a bit like rearranging furniture in a new apartment. Make it fit the way you like to work. Personalizing your workspace is what makes Notion powerful. If you want, add your own categories or color code your tasks. Maybe use emojis or images to make things visually engaging. Over time, you'll find little custom touches that boost your motivation. Some people like to insert quotes for inspiration. Others attach files or links to keep everything at their fingertips. Don't worry if it feels messy at first. Learning what works for you is part of the process, and that's pretty much it. With just a few clicks, you've set up a professional, flexible productivity space in Notion. As you build good habits and discover new features, you'll be able to customize and expand your setup however you like. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like and drop any questions or setup tips in the comments below. I'd love to hear what templates you've tried. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.